So today I'm going to eat 150 grams of protein on a budget. I'm going to do it eating only eggs and tuna fish. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Getting 150 grams of protein on a tight budget of eggs and tuna fish. I'll check back with you here throughout the day, okay? So I'm actually making 6 eggs for breakfast, which is one more than I'd planned to do. So right now I'm on track. If I eat like I planned, I'm going to have 156 grams of protein today. You got to add a little bit of pepper. You got to have pepper on your eggs, man. Salt and pepper on your eggs. I love putting pepper on it before it's done cooking. Now that is a plate full of eggs. I'm going to get ready and I'm going to chow down. Okay guys, it's my first break at work, so I'm going to go ahead and eat some more eggs. I got 4 boiled eggs I brought with me. I ate 6 eggs at home, so after I eat this I'll be at 10 eggs for the day. And then later on when I take my lunch I'm going to eat my tuna fish. I didn't show y'all me making that, but I mixed it up with mustard and hot sauce for flavor. So yeah, time to chow down I think. Here's my cooler. Just keep it all nice and cold. This Titan cooler, keep it cold for me all day. Got that from the Costco. Boiled eggs quite good. I think I put a little bit of salt on there. Okay, so I finished off those 4 eggs I brought. I'm not feeling hungry, but I feel like I may be starting to get hungry before lunchtime comes around. But you know, my tuna mixture, it's like 4 cans of tuna in there that I got to eat when I come back for lunch. So I'm not sure if I can eat it all in one sitting. We'll see how that goes. And hopefully I won't be too hungry. And hopefully I'll reach some really high protein levels, spending very little money. You know, I've eaten 10 eggs today, and it's not much. At my local grocery store, it's around $4 for 18 eggs. And 4 cans of tuna was, how much did that cost me? I want to say that was about $4 or $5. So this is really cheap. So this is a good way. This is a good way to get your protein in for real cheap. On a side note, I get to drive these things around at my job. It's almost time to go eat my tuna fish. Got all this junk food in the break room, but you know I can't have that. Just tuna fish and eggs today. Now it's time for my lunch, so come out here and see if I can eat all of this in one sitting. I don't think I've ever had 4 cans of tuna all at once. So, and I think I said before, I did put mustard and a little bit of hot sauce in it so that it has some kind of flavor. It's going to be much easier to eat that way. You know, there's no calories in mustard or hot sauce, so this will work. Well, here it is. This is my tuna fish, mustard, a little bit of hot sauce. Let's see how it tastes. I bet it's pretty good. Yeah, not bad. I think adding the hot sauce also, I think that was a really good idea. It gives it an extra little kick of flavor that the mustard by itself wouldn't have done. So, still not sure I can eat all this in one sitting. If I can't, then I'll have to eat the rest after work. I think I might, I think I'm gonna go live here and see if there's anybody wanting to chat while I eat my lunch. So I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Well guys, I was going to try to finish all of this on my lunch. There's absolutely no way I cannot eat any more at all. I'll have to eat more of it later. Maybe I don't know, finish it for dinner. I got one more break today. Maybe I can try to come out here and blast it out then. But yeah, I am so full. And all I've had to eat today is eggs and tuna fish, and I'm very, very full. And I remember the price. It was like $2 and something cents for a 4-pack of tuna. And so like, this is around $6 or $7 for all this food, for all this protein, all this nutrients. I'm on my last break at work, and I am determined to finish that tuna while I'm still at work, because once they get off, I would like to go home and try to get myself in bed as soon as I can. Get up to start tomorrow. So let's see if I can go ahead and knock this out. All right, I'm down to the last little bit. I'm gonna wipe that out and we're gonna be done. I'm gonna surpass. I think I'm gonna have to surpass my protein goals for the day. As long as I can finish it. It's an awful lot of food. I'm not gonna be able to finish this here. Look, this is all. Look, that's not much left at all. But it started out as 4 cans of tuna, and I had you know, with hot sauce and mustard mixed together in there, and I had some 4 eggs. All while I was at work, 6 eggs at home. If I manage to finish this, man, well, I've surpassed my protein goals. But I cannot finish this right now. Okay, I managed to get all but a few bites of it down. So as soon as I finish work, I should be down the last bit, and then I'll give you all my stats on how much protein I consumed and how many calories they were. Well, at home, I'm about to finish this off. It's only a few bites left, so I'll finish it off and then I'll give you my numbers. All right, last bite. It's so hard to finish. All right, let me get the numbers. Let's see. Okay, so today I had 10 eggs, 4 cans of tuna, and I also had 3 glasses, about 3 servings of milk when I ate my first batch of eggs this morning. So what that comes out to is 180 grams of protein and only 1,460 calories. And that was hard to finish. It was hard to finish that food, even with the calorie amount so low. So if you're looking to lose weight or something, this actually would be a real easy way to do it. Well, I say easy, it's hard to eat that much food. So yeah, I don't think this is something I would want to do every day though. So I think trying to eat that much tuna fish was just a little bit ridiculous. So, but yep, that's the numbers I came to. So I think it's, if you really want to cut real fast, this will do the trick for you. So it's just up to you what you want to do. Okay, hit subscribe, hit like, come back and look at the other stuff. Thanks for watching.